welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Oh wait, what? Yeah, that's good, that's good. Welcome. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look, a gold shimmer kind of bronzy look. This is my pretty much go-to look. I do all the time when I go out now. It's super easy, super quick, doesn't need lashes. So if you guys would like to see this look, then just keep on watching. So first up, we're just going to go in with my Benifit eyebrow pen in the shade 3.5. Next up, I'm just going to go in with my Nars concealer in the shade Custard. Now I'm just using the MAC flat brush, and I'm just going to use that to carve out my brows. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm just going to get the same concealer and I'm just going to apply that to the eyelid, and that is going to be a base for my eyeshadow. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go in with my Mercier powder and just set my eyes. I set my eyes because I feel as though the eyeshadow sometimes can get stuck to certain patches. Once I've set my eyes, I'm just going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics palette, the bronze palette, and I'm just going to use the shade, oh my god, I got my nail in it. I'm just going to go in with that, and we're just going to apply that to the crease of the eye, and then we're just going to do the other side. Okay, now we're going in with the shade Below in my Morphe M505 brush, just that shade. To be putting that into the crease as well, just to darken it up more, and the outer corner of the eye. Before we carve our eyes, we're just going in with the shade Bronze It, this one right here. And we are just going to be applying that again in the crease in the outer corner, just to darken that. Now, because this color is very dark, I put a little bit at a time and gradually build it up, because this color is very hard to blend out once it is on the eyelid. And now I'm just going to buff that up to the top of my eyebrows. Okay, once that is done, we're just going to go back in with the Nars concealer and the brush I used to cover my eyebrows, and we are just going to create a semi-cut crease. Seeing a cut crease with a hooded eyelid is to go above the crease, so you can see it when your eyes are open and shut, and it just looks so freaking pretty. Now on just the outer edges of the cut crease, I just like to use whatever's left on the brush and just do small strokes just to blend it into the darker shade on the outer corner. Next up, I'm just going to go in with my favorite palette at the moment. It is the Lala from Colourpop, and I'm just going to use the shade Moonstruck, and I'm just going to be applying that to the cut crease with a brush that looks something like this. I wet it just before I use it also, and I just apply that to the crease. And just blend that out with small strokes onto the inner corner. Next up, we're going into liner, and I'm just going to be using my Kylie bronze palette again, and just using this shade here. Bring that out just a little bit. So once the eyes are done, we are just going to go on to our face, and I'm just going to prime my face with the SmashBox Photo Finish Super Light Smooth and Blur. And I'm just going to apply a fair bit of that to the cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. For foundation, I'm just going in with my Clinique Beyond Perfect Foundation and Concealer in the shade 8 Golden Neutral and blending that out with my damp beauty blender. This foundation is incredible for coverage. Oh my god, I got it in my hair. And we are just bringing that down to my neck, to my forehead. For concealer, we're just going in with the same concealer as before, and I'm just going to be applying that just a little bit on my nose and just a little bit there. And then of course blending that out with my beauty blender. Now we're going to be setting that concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just getting the back of my beauty blender and just applying that to my under eye. For contour, I'm just going in with my Too Faced bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and I'm just using my MAC fan brush, and I'm just going to be applying that to my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline, my chin, and my nose. Next step, we're just going to go in and tap off the excess powder. I'm just going to go in with my Morphe E48 brush, and this is an eyeshadow, but I love this shade as a blush. It is the shade Wait For It, and it's a pressed powder, and I basically just put that to the apples of my cheeks. Next up, we're just going to go in with the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm just going to be contouring my nose. I personally like using using an eyeshadow brush to contour my nose because I feel like it's less harsh, and I feel like this really buffs out the contour. Basically just apply that to the sides of my nose and then just in the middle here and just underneath the nose. Okay, well, I just realized that my camera was not recording. For highlighter, I'm just going in with my 230 Luxe Pencil from Zoeva and my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, and I'm just going to be applying this to the high points of my eyebrows, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and the inner corner of my eye. To highlight the rest of my face, I'm just going in with the same highlighter, and this was a brush from KKW. I think it came with one of her palettes. This is honestly the best brush ever for highlighter. And I'm just going to be using the buff side, and I'm just going to be applying that to the cheekbones. Oh my god, amazing. I freaking love this highlighter, it's the best. Now we're just going to go in and curl my eyelashes because we're not going to be using lashes for this. Only because I suck at putting eyelashes on. I can't do it. I try so hard, I just can't do it. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and we're going to be coating them with mascara. So I just bought this from like Kmart. Oh my god, I forgot to curl half my eyelashes. There we go. So now I'm just going to be going in with my Benifit Their Real Mascara. It is incredible for length, and then for volume I use the Sephora Outrageous Curl Mascara. This one's really good for volume, but I'm just going to be going in with this and just coating this. I really need to learn how to apply lashes. I usually get my brother to do them. He's honestly amazing. Like, I don't understand. Like, I try, and I thought maybe it was my nails, but I've tried with like tweezers and even bought an applicator and it just doesn't work. So I guess I'm just gonna have to spend 10 minutes curling my eyelashes. So once we have done that, we're just gonna go in with the Sephora mascara and we're just going to add volume. Now I'm not applying this to the bottom of my eyelash yet, just because I need to put shadow there. I usually do that last. Some people do it before they do their foundation, but I feel like if you're gonna be doing your concealer and stuff, like where do you stop? I don't know, I don't get it. So I just do it like pretty much last. I just coat my eyelashes for like 10 minutes until it looks kind of like lashes. I'm gonna go in with lips, and this is something I've just recently started doing and I'm obsessed. Only because when I usually use liquid lipstick, in particular matte lipstick, my lips get really chapped. So I've started making a lipstick more of a liner and then putting a gloss on top, and it looks amazing. So I'm just going in with my Too Faced matte lipstick in the shade Cool Girl, and I'm just going to be applying that with a brush that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. It's just like a Kai liner, and I'm just going to be getting a little bit of that from the brush, and I'm just going to be overlining them so they look bigger than what they are. So now, because my top lip is much larger than my bottom lip, I do overdo my bottom lip quite a bit just to make them match. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to slightly blend out the lines that I just did. I used too much on my hand. Oh! The Colourpop. Oh! Oh my god, I just ruined that. Damn it. Once again, my camera has turned off. Honestly, I can't deal with this camera anymore. So, to finish off this look, I'm just going in with my Ultra Glossy Lip from Bretman Rock and Colourpop. And I'm just going to be applying this to my lips. And I'm just going to be applying some bronzer to underneath my lip. I just remembered I completely forgot to coat the bottom of my eyelashes, so I'm just going to be going in with the Sephora mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that to the bottom of my eyelashes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment what you guys think, and also let me know more looks that you guys would like to see. Your opinion and feedback means the most to me. So yeah,